Well, guess what came in the mail? The Pixel Watch 3. So I wasn't originally planning on getting this because the rumors were that this is not going to be bundled in with the new Pixel 9 Pro XL like the Pixel Watch 2 was last time. So I had decided I wouldn't get it because the rumored release and the rumored specs for the Pixel Watch 3 were very similar to the Pixel Watch 2 with just a different size, a slightly different battery, maybe slightly better screen. So I had decided against it, but once the specs were announced and the offers were announced, I got a really good deal on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. You can watch that video here on what I felt about that deal. Literally, I got that for $200 with the credit and everything. They were offering a good trade-in value on my Pixel Watch 2 also on the Pixel Watch 3. So I decided to take the plunge, mainly because I was never really into the size of the Pixel Watch 2. I always wanted a bigger, because I have a bigger wrist and I wanted a bigger size, but that was not available last year. So this time, as soon as they made that available, that piqued my interest. And then I was just waiting for the offers to be available. And the offer was pretty good on the Pixel Watch 3. I'm getting $220 back as a trade-in value for my Pixel Watch 2. So essentially making this a $180 watch. To me, that felt worth it just because of the size alone, but then also presumably better, slightly better, or at least equal battery life, but bigger, with a bigger screen, better screen, brighter screen. The good surprise was also they reduced or shrunk the bezel sizes, which was also one of my other things that I did not really like about the Pixel Watch 2. So with all those factors combined, I decided to take the plunge. Also, my Pixel Watch 2 is actually kind of, the band is yellowing. I don't know if you can see here, but there is a little bit of greenish tinge on the edges of the watch strap. Not sure what that is all about. I don't really abuse it by much, but it's on both sides of the strap. So anyway, long story short, I got the Pixel Watch 3 and it's here. So let's do a little quick unboxing. So I'm really excited about the size and how it'll fit on my wrist. The Pixel Watch 2 didn't really fit really well. It looks small on my hands. So here we go. I'm gonna take this off here. Now it'll slide off. There you go. So you gotta pull on both tabs. There we go. So nice packaging. I think it's better than last time. The Hazel band and also the Hazel watch. That's the other side, the other band. And the actual watch face or dial is in this box. There you go. I don't know if we can tell easily from this because of the light reflection, sorry about that. With the hazel color, the bottom part of this watch is also hazel. My previous watch was all black, even with the blue band. And then this one's the hazel band, but the bottom piece is hazel as well. So unfortunately, because of the size, the Pixel Watch 2 bands will not fit the Pixel Watch 3, the 45mm one, but they should, I believe, still fit if you ordered the Watch 3 in 41mm as well, but the 45mm definitely will not fit. So that's my old watch and my new one. So it's definitely bigger. I'll compare it on the one side. I attach the straps onto my wrist. See how it feels on my wrist. They actually have two sized bands. One is longer than the other. In case you have a really large wrist, I'm going to try the shorter band first. So they do include a nice little leaflet here that shows you how to attach the straps to the main watch. All right, so let's attach this. So basically with the button to the left, turn the wrist strap around as well. At the bottom, there's like these metal teeth. Those are what go inside this slot here. The slot start at the very end, leave some space on this side. And then it's kind of snaps into place and then you slide it over. That's it. Same thing on the other side. Flip it around, flip the strap around, And then there's a button here on the one side. That's the side you need to put the try to slide the teeth of the strap in first on that end, and then once they're in, you slide it over. That's it. Gonna turn it on. Now let me show you the size comparison on my wrist. So as you can see here, definitely feels so much better. This one feels very small on my wrist. This one feels just right. I can probably go maybe a millimeter or two bigger even, but this looks very much better suited on my wrist than the small one. This looks really just almost feminine. So yep, there you go. That's the unboxing. So just one thing I wanted to come back and note here. Before, when I was showing you how to attach the straps, I actually put this side of the strap on that side and vice versa. And that's how I had my old Pixel Watch 2 as well. So this is basically the difference between the two. So Pixel Watch 2 on the right, Pixel Watch 3 on the left. And you can actually see visibly there is a difference clearly on the sizes. And like I showed you earlier, it definitely fits better on my wrist, the Watch 3 45 millimeter size. If you have anything other than a very small wrist, I think the 45 millimeters would work best. I really love the color. It really sits nicely on my wrist, and it just fills up my wrist much better. It looks much better. That one just looked like it was size too small. So I'm glad the 45 millimeter size has been released. This is exactly what I was looking for. And as you can see, it actually also has a much better density of information on the screen with this particular watch face. And I'm sure there'll be some new watch faces. This is actually with a new default watch face that comes with the Pixel Watch 3. And there is a whole lot of information that is actually easily readable. If I try to do the same thing on the Pixel Watch 2, I would have to squint because the numbers would be too small. This is just perfect. So yeah, that was my unboxing video. I have gone ahead and set it up right now just to show you, but what I will do is I'll create another video for just the setup and step through the setup process, including a screen recording of what's happening on the phone while we do the setup. So look forward to that video. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.